All right, let's talk about how AI can seriously slash your building's energy costs. 30%. That's how much energy your building's HVAC is probably wasting right now.
And here's the thing, it's not because something's broken. Your HVAC controls are just outdated.
See, old systems just run on a fixed schedule. They totally ignore weather or who's actually inside.
But AI, well, it changes everything. It makes your current system smart and super responsive.
So how does it actually work? It's a pretty straightforward 4-step process. Let's break it down.
First up, learn. For a few weeks, the AI just watches. It learns your building's unique heat profile.
Next, predict. It uses data to plan ahead for pre-cooling or preheating, which saves a ton of energy. Then it adjusts. It's making tiny, constant tweaks that nobody even notices, but they add up. And finally, stage. It smartly controls your big equipment, keeping it in its most efficient sweet spot.
And this isn't some far-off tech. It's here now, from the biggest names in the industry.
You've got 3 main players leading the pack. Each one has its own little twist on optimization.
Want proof it works? Just look at Dubai's incredible Museum of the Future. They're using it.
And the results? A massive energy reduction, up to 50% less than a conventional building. Just wow. That incredible performance is a big reason it earned the top-tier LEED Platinum certification. But here's the key takeaway. This isn't just for famous landmarks. It's ready for your building.
So you're probably wondering what it takes to get started, right? It's surprisingly simple.
You just need 3 things: BMS connectivity, a metering baseline, and weather data. Most buildings already have them.
And get this, you don't need any new hardware. It's a software layer that makes your current stuff smarter.
So, is your building ready to stop wasting money? Because this is a huge opportunity for property owners.